Today we are diving deep into a product that's a game changer for every kitchen. The Hawkins 2.5 liter deep fry pan, also known as triply stainless steel Kadai with glass lid. This is Hawkins triply stainless steel, also known as deep fry pan with glass lid of 2.5 liter. Hawkins provide 5-year guarantee on this product and the product code is SSD25G. This deep fry pan is compatible with induction, gas, ceramic and electric cooktops. Price of the product is around 2300 rupees, but for current pricing check the link in the description below. Now let's cut the seal to unveil what's inside it. This is the transparent and heat resistant glass lid. This is the Hawkins branded wooden spatula. Now let's look into the Hawkins triply stainless steel 2.5 liter deep fry pan. This is the instruction manual cum warranty card. This item is provided for cleaning purposes. Now let's start with the design. What makes it stand out? The triply stainless steel construction. That means 3 layers. The inner surface is food grade 304 stainless steel. The middle layer is an aluminium core for fast and even heat distribution. And the outer layer is magnetic stainless steel, making it compatible with induction cooktops also. Wooden handle is provided for comfortable gripping. Now let's look into the back side. There is a Hawkins branding is written, and with that several necessary information is depicted there. Here it is clearly mentioned this is compatible with gas and induction also. Now let's talk about the glass lid. This toughened glass lid is transparent and heat resistant, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. It traps heat, moisture and aroma, keeping the nutrients and flavor locked in. Scan this QR code for registering the guarantee for 5 years. 4 stainless steel rivets are provided for attaching the handle with the frying pan. This side also similar 4 rivets has been provided. These both sides rivets will not loosen over time, which will enhance the longevity of the handles of the pan. Hawkins has always prioritized safety and hygiene, and this Kadai is no exception. The inner stainless steel surface is non-reactive, which means it doesn't alter the taste and nutritional value of your food. Unlike non-stick cookware, there is no coatings to peel off, no toxins, and it's completely safe for long-term use. This deep fry pan made with precision and quality materials. This Kadai is sturdy and wrap resistant. It can easily handle daily cooking needs and withstand high temperature without losing shape or shine. And with Hawkins' reputation, you are not just buying a pan, you are investing in trusted Indian craftsmanship with decades of experience. So if you are looking for a versatile, durable, stylish and health conscious cooking solution, this product is worth every rupee. Thank you.